In this video, I'm introducing a ready-to-deploy Power Automate governance solution designed for administrators and COE teams who need full visibility across their automation environments. As automation grows, governance becomes complex, flows spread across environments. Inactive automations go unnoticed, and reporting requires manual effort. This solution automatically scans your tenant, builds a centralized inventory, logs structured data into SharePoint, and provides AI-powered insights for better oversight. Let's walk through how it works. I'll start with the deployment experience, because this is where the solution immediately differentiates itself. And here's the best part. You don't need to manually create lists, configure columns, build views, or set up indexing. Everything is automatically provisioned for you. The moment you deploy the solution and run the setup flow, the system creates the complete SharePoint structure in the background, including optimized columns, clean formatting, index fields for performance, and ready-to-use views. I am just running the one-time inventory list provisioning flow. Everything will be created automatically. I don't do any manual setup or configuration. No manual configuration. No risk of missing settings. No complex governance preparation. The provisioning engine handles everything, so you can focus on using the solution, not building it. Within minutes, your environment is fully structured, performance optimized, and governance ready. This isn't just automation. It's automation that builds its own foundation. Now let's run the Flow Intelligence Inventory Engine. The moment it starts, you'll see flows being discovered from across your entire tenant automatically. Each flow is captured with complete visibility, whether it is started, stopped, or suspended. What was created, what was last modified, which environment it belongs to, and who created it. But this is where the intelligence layer makes the difference. The AI engine automatically generates a clear summary of what each flow does. It extracts relevant keywords from the definition, and it evaluates the flow's complexity, labeling it as low, medium, high, or very high. It extracts relevant keywords from the definition. With this structured metadata, you can govern your Power Platform environments in a focused, risk-aware way. No automation remains unnoticed. You can filter your inventory using ready-made views, all flows, active flows, inactive flows, suspended flows. Everything is organized for quick operational insight. And the automated list provisioning flow handles everything behind the scenes, including list formatting, structured layout, and unique color coding for flow status and flow complexity columns. So your data is not just captured, but visually organized and easy to interpret at a glance. You'll also receive a detailed flow inventory email, giving administrators instant visibility without logging into multiple environments. And this process runs automatically every single day at 5 a.m., scheduled during off-business hours to reduce API load and protect performance. By the time you start your workday, your complete inventory is refreshed and ready. The solution uses intelligent Upsert logic, ensuring there are no duplicate entries in your inventory list. Clean, accurate, reliable. And now comes the most powerful layer. The Flow Intelligence Copilot agent. Instead of manually filtering data, you can simply ask, show me inactive flows. Give me flow counts by environment. Summarize high-complexity automations. Show environment health overview. The agent instantly responds using your live SharePoint inventory. This turns your governance system into an interactive intelligence assistant. No guesswork, no manual tracking, no blind spots. Just complete visibility, structure control, and intelligent governance. And that's how this solution saves you hours every day, while giving you enterprise-level oversight. To support different governance maturity levels, this solution is available in 4 editions. Flow Inventory, Essentials Edition, Automated Email-Based Inventory, ideal for small tenants needing quick visibility. Flow Control, Standard Edition, Email reporting plus SharePoint logging. Perfect for growing organizations needing structured tracking. Flow Intelligence, Advanced Edition, adds AI-generated summaries, keywords, and complexity labels, designed for mature governance and COE teams. Governance Intelligence, Copilot Edition, includes email, SharePoint logging, AI enrichment, and a Copilot agent for conversational insights, built for enterprise-scale automation environments. Start simple, scale smart, govern with intelligence. If this solution aligns with your governance goals, you can explore the complete product breakdown, feature comparison, and deployment details using the link in the description. Everything is designed to be ready to deploy, scalable, and enterprise-focused, so you can implement with confidence. Thank you for watching. If you're working with Microsoft 365, Power Platform, or Copilot and want practical, real-world governance solutions, consider subscribing and staying connected. I regularly share enterprise-focused automation, strategies, and ready-to-deploy solutions designed for scalability and control.